Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time, speed and distance. It's a very commonly asked question in most of the competitive exams. It says, excluding stoppages, the speed of a train is 45 km per hour and including stoppages, it is 36 km per hour. For how many minutes does the train stop per hour? So let us see how we can approach this question. So as it is given that the speed of a train is 45 km per hour if there are no stoppages. So let us assume that this is the distance which the train has to travel, and when it is not stopping anywhere, it is traveling with 45 km per hour. That is, in 1 hour it would travel a distance of 45 kilometers. So let us assume this is 45 kilometers completely. But when the stoppages happen, it is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. That means with stoppages in 1 hour, the train will be able to travel only 36 kilometers. That is, let's assume this much is the distance. So now what happens if we look at the difference of these two, it means that in 1 hour, the train has done a stoppage of around 9 kilometers. It's not the time, but in 1 hour, the train has a stoppages which are worth of the time in which train could have traveled 9 kilometers. So that means we can say that out of 45 kilometers, train has missed 9 kilometers. So this much fraction is, or I can say, because 45 kilometers per hour was the speed, so this much of the hour was missed. Because if you look at the units, 9 kilometers upon 45 kilometer per hour, 9 by 45 of the hour is missed. And because the options are in minutes, so if I try and convert it into minutes, I get 9 by 45 multiply by 60 minutes. This much of the time the train has lost in stoppages. So this becomes 15 threes are 45, this becomes 15 fours are 60, this is 3 threes are 9, and therefore I get 12 minutes. So the time which is lost when the train has stoppages in between is 12 minutes, or I can say the time for which the train has had the stoppages is 12 minutes, and hence it is traveling with a speed of, or it is assumed to be traveling with a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. So your answer to this question becomes 12 minutes. That is option number 2. I hope more than the answer, the concept of the question is clear to everyone. So this is how we can approach a question of this category. Thank you.